Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this particular project, we're going to be using some brushes, this particular palette knife, and we're going to create an abstract tree. For the background, I decided to paint it a grayish tone. That way the colors will pop. On video it may still look white, but it's actually a light gray. For the tree, I used a pencil and lightly drew the tree and then went over it with black paint. I decided to use warm colors for the leaves, so I have yellows, oranges, reds, and just warm colors just to make the colors really pop. I found some pink, burgundy, fuchsia, different tones of warm colors, and I decided to use it for this project, and it turned out very well. The main thing to keep in mind is to have fun. I know it's easy to get frustrated and want to stop. I know it's happened to me in the past, but just try to keep in mind you're having a good time and you're practicing, you're getting better at it, and everything takes practice. Thank you for taking the time and watching my videos. Please like and support. Please subscribe so I can keep making them and sharing it with you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks again.